kidam tangaru ni phai troxier ni ani kang sampor phai pho porpen Dipu Christian English School pathwa klamalong Christian adhorom kirim arala tum chingrum si Manipur along rialong khei so hijan angbong ron ka chi thurpen soluk soda tomon ke jap bothak ki duk kisung ki pho tuma phan arnam kardompi Manipur along rialong khai songbong kecharbo Kardom ahem mate church setame meke kai lapuson ta dolo lapen ong dung amuni rapran ke dam nang ta dolo lapusona kisung ki pho tuma phan arnam ke raidunji lapen prabjin pe labang soron kapang samji aphan Dipu Christian English School pathwa klamalong United Christian Forum pen patirpi ponsi Dipu pen manja habarlong Christian adhorom kirim kato kabe bang pharoki thom araratum chingrum si Manipur along ria phan arnam kardom pia jaime dingpong.
Our gathering together here as United Christian Forum is to remember in our prayers about the situation that has happened in Manipur, the killings, the burning of churches, the attack on Christian people. In order to pray that peace and harmony will come back to Manipur, we pray for the government, for the central governments and the state governments, and all the victims of the Manipur violence. And this is the reason or the purpose of our gathering as mass prayer rally this evening. We have about 70 churches in Dipu and Manja, and we are about 300 to 400 people gathered this evening. All the church leaders and including members. Yeah, thank you very much.
Bangsolong Reverend Father S. Singson, Dr. Solomon Rongpi, Reverend Primingson Milikpen Chenglok kit hekeding atum chetongdu. News report long Carbing Long Live.